Great day, second grade students and families. It's Mr. Sargent here with your weekly newsletter for September 23rd through the September 27th. Now, first of all, I just want to give a huge shout out to all of the second grade for an incredible week. We did so much, from the glow party to projects in the class to doing our best in all three subjects. Ladies and gentlemen, I am super proud of each and every one of you. Now, we're going to begin this week with some school news. Now, this Wednesday, September 25th, starting at 5:30 and probably lasting until about 6:30, 7 o'clock, we will have our GPA K4 curriculum night. This is a great opportunity for you to come in, talk to your child's teachers, and learn about the curriculum that we're using here at GPA. Also, you get to leave with some resources that will definitely help you at home, increase our levels in reading, math, and we'll have some special items for science that you guys can do at home and have some fun and spread the love of science. So come on out this Wednesday for curriculum night, September 25th, from 5:30 to about 6:30, 7 o'clock. We can't wait to see you there. Now, last week, we were supposed to have progress reports home, but because we're having some issues with the Power School, we're going to be sending them home this Friday instead. So make sure that you are looking for our school's progress reports this Friday. It is a great opportunity to see the progress that our students are making and the areas that we still need to work on. Now, as always, definitely check out Mr. Dunn's weekly message every Sunday. He sends it text, he calls, and if you check Class Dojo, there's an incredible app that he uses called S'more that goes through every bit of information. So please, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and check that out so you are aware of what is going on here at GPA. Now, on to second grade news. Now, we're going to start this week with ELA. In ELA, we're going to continue with week 4 spelling words. Now, these words, first of all, you're going to have some sight words that we definitely need to practice. Then you're going to have words that follow an R-controlled I sound in all of the words. So as I read through the words, let's make sure that we are looking at those words and seeing which words hold those patterns. So we're going to start with number 1 is very, number 2, after, number 3, things, number 4, hour, number 5, just, number 6, girl, number 7, dirt, number 8, shirt, number 9, third, number 10, thirst, number 11, birth, number 12, yellow, number 13, add, number 14, got, number 15, life, and number 16, cycle. Now, were you able to find the R-controlled I sounds? Well, if you look at number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, you will see that the I, the sound of the I, is controlled by the R in the word. All right? So, as always, this packet will go home on Monday, and you will work on it throughout the week and return it in your homework folder by Friday. Now, also in ELA, you're going to continue talking about and reading about early Asian civilizations. You're going to continue and finish up the Indus River Valley story. And then this week, you're going to continue by learning about Hinduism, the tiger, the Brahman, and the jackal. Now, you're going to read stories like The Blind Man and The Elephant and Elephant Diwali. I cannot wait to hear about all of this. I am totally interested in these stories that you're going to be reading, and I can't wait to sit down and have discussions with each and every one of you about these stories. All right, so make sure you're paying attention to Miss Daniel's class as you read these stories and you analyze everything that we're talking about. Now on to math. This week in math, we will continue working with measurement. Now, one cool thing that you're going to get to do this week is use a tape measure to measure our heights. You can measure the heights of your friends. You can measure the heights of people you sit with in your group. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to compare. That's going to be sort of our word of the week. You're going to learn to compare these heights. Now, one cool thing that you're going to do is while you compare these heights, you're going to get to practice your addition and your subtraction with these. So I am very excited what you get to do this week. It sounds like a lot of fun. And for those that were wondering, this right here is your homework. You can see right here. So Make sure you're ripping out the right pages out of your workbook at home, and really make sure you're putting them in your homework folder for Friday. All right? Now on to social studies. Well, we're done social studies for this quarter. We just finished our geography unit. We took a test on Friday. Definitely a huge shout out to those students that put the effort and time. We had some incredible scores, and I cannot wait until the next time we do social studies. But we need to do some science. So for the next few weeks, we are going to be learning about the weather. I am super, super excited about that. I have 2 experiments next week that are going to show us so much. They're going to show us the way that the sun transfers heat into our weather system, the importance of energy in our system. We are also going to learn about the scientific method. All right. So if you're not familiar with the scientific method, it is that process in which all experiments and all science is created. And it starts with great questions. So I cannot wait for some of the great questions this week. Now, also this week, we're going to begin by learning how to write a lab report. We're going to be learning how to break down each experiment that we do and each lesson that we do so that we can get the most understanding of the concept that we're experimenting on. Now remember, experiments are fun, but safety is always first. And this week, we're going to get to learn about our lab safety as well. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this week. I hope you are all out there enjoying your weekend. Special shout out to Prince, who's celebrating a birthday on Sunday. Happy birthday, Prince. I hope you have the best day ever. And for everybody else, enjoy your weekend, and I cannot wait to see each and every one of you on Monday.